A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. Let us continue the remaining part of the lesson, Uses of Computer, Part 2. Okay, children? In the previous video class, you have learned about the uses of computer in some places. Isn't it, children? Okay. Now, today, let us learn the uses of computers in some more places. So, today, we will see how the computers are placed in some more, are used in some more places. Okay, children? So, let us see how computers are used in the shops. Computers are used in shops to store information about the goods and customers. Here goods means the stock, the things which are available in the shop. Okay, children? And computers are used in shops to calculate and make the bills quickly without making mistakes. So here the computers are used to calculate the bills and without making mistakes, you'll get the bill. Earlier, the bills were calculated manually and the work was not done that much fast and was also not accurate. So the computer is accurate, isn't it, children? So manually, they used to do the bills, calculate the bills which were not that much accurate. Now, with the help of computers, the work became very easy and faster. And not only that, children, the computers are also used to find out the prices of the things. The things which are in the shops, we can easily find out the prices. Okay, children? Now, let us see the use of computers in the office. Computers made the work very easy in the office. And in the office, computers are used to keep and maintain the office records. So here, the computers are used to keep and maintain the office records. Okay? In the office, computers are used to type letters and documents. So the typed letters and documents, we can take printout of those letters also, children. They are used to send and receive emails for communication. So the computers are also used to send and receive emails. Okay, children? Now, let us see the use of computers in the hotels. Earlier, in the hotels, all the work was maintained in a day book, which was very hectic and time consuming. So that means the work was very difficult and used to take more time. Okay, children? So as soon as the computers came, everything changed and the computer replaced the day book. And the work became very easy and fast. The computers help to keep the details of the customers. So these computers are also used to keep the details of the customers. And they are also used to book rooms and prepare bills. Okay, children? So now, let us see the use of computers in the field of designing. Okay? The computers are also help in the field of designing. So in the field of designing also, the computers are useful. The computer help in creating and designing the clothes, cars, buildings, and many more things. The dress designers can design the dresses by using the computer. So the engineers use computer to design cars and buildings. Earlier, these were designed in the paper. And computers are also used for creating and designing books and newspapers, magazines, etc. So we can even design books, newspapers, magazines. Okay, children? Understood? So now let us see the use of computers in scientific research. Computers play a major role today in every field of scientific research. The computer help scientists to launch missiles and satellites. So in the field of research also, the computers are playing a very vital role. Understood, children? So that's all for today, children. Here is a small assignment for you all. Write the uses of computers in a shop. So here you have to write any two uses. So how a computer is used in the shop, any two uses you can write here, children. Okay. So we will continue the remaining part of the lesson in the next video class. Thank you and have a nice day.